6 health ideas that will empower yourself through recharge. Number 1. Improved focus. Rest allows the mind to recharge and refocus, most important to superior interest and hobby span. Number 2. Increased creativity. Rest can help to stimulate creativity and generate new ideas that could bring about elevated productivity. Number 3. Enhanced hassle-solving skills. Rest can decorate cognitive function, which could help in hassle-solving and decision-making. Number 4. Better time management. Rest can help humans to prioritize their duties and manage their time greater effectively. Number 5. Reduced burnout. Rest allows to prevent burnout through manner of way of allowing human beings to recharge and avoid exhaustion. And number 6. Increased motivation. Rest can help humans to feel more inspired and energized, primary to multiple